Hello my friends, welcome back to another video of Broski. Today I just got a problem that my Android device get in safe mode. So how it happened, let me show you. You can see when you click or keep press the power and volume down button, you will get this, and keep press on power off, and you can see when I click on safe mode, my Android device will get in safe mode. So you can see we got that. Here you can see we got the safe mode in our Android device. So if you have this problem in your phone and you don't know how to take it out, it's actually very easy. You can't do anything from here, you have to turn it off. So do the same stuff and go click on power off, and when just phone restart itself, your phone will be back here as a normal, and you can see there's not safe mode, and this is all about how to get your phone in safe mode and how to take it out. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video to your friends if you like the video. Don't forget to hit the like button. See you until next quick tutorial videos. Bye bye my friends, peace, see ya.